If your smartphone screen is constantly filled by 8-ball pool game app notifications, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can permanently disable your app's notifications or alerts. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to do this, you need to access the app info page or the game info page, and you can do this through settings. However, the shortcut method or the easiest method is just to long press on your app, and you should see now you have app info. Tap on this app info to access the app information page. But in case you are missing this app info, depending on your smartphone, you should have a settings gear next to it, or even the name of the app. Tap on any of these to access the game app information page here. At this point, scroll down and look for permissions section. As you can see, mine is here. If you scroll down, you should see notifications. As you can see, if I tap on this, all these notifications are on, and it is because of this that you have been receiving all those notifications. To disable all of them, instead of turning off one by one here, and you can see there are a lot of them, among them vibration, play sound, floating notifications, as well as permanent notifications, just go ahead and turn off show notifications here. If you toggle this off, all the other notifications will be disabled. At this point, you'll never again get pop-up or alerts from 8-ball pool game app unless you come here again and enable them. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.